In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your hosting a domain to Blogger so your blog can use your own custom web address instead of the default Blogspot URL. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along even if this is your first time working with domains or DNS settings. First, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns your Blogger site. Then open your Blogger dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your posts, layout, comments, and all of your blog's settings. If you have more than one blog on your account, look near the top of the page and confirm that you've selected the correct blog you want to connect to your hosting a domain. Once you're sure you're on the right blog, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This is where Blogger keeps most of the technical and configuration options for your site. The settings page can look a bit long, so take your time and scroll down until you find a section called Publishing. This is the area that controls the web address people use to reach your blog. Inside the publishing section, you'll see your current Blogspot address, which usually looks like something followed by .blogspot.com. Right below that, you'll find an option labeled Custom Domain. Go ahead and click on Custom Domain. This is where you'll tell Blogger about your hosting a domain. In the box that appears, you'll need to enter your domain name. It is very important here that you start with www. For example, instead of typing yourdomain.com, you should type www.yourdomain.com. Make sure you replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain and double check for any spelling mistakes. Even a small typo will prevent the connection from working correctly. Once you've entered your domain with the www at the beginning, click the Save button. Blogger will now try to verify and connect your custom domain. Depending on your existing DNS settings at Hostinger, you might see an error message or a prompt telling you that you need to update your DNS records. This is normal the first time you set things up. If you get that message, leave the Blogger tab open. Then, in a new browser tab, log into your Hostinger account, open your domain's DNS or DNS zone editor, and carefully add or update the records exactly as Blogger specifies. Usually this involves adding a CNAME record for www that points to the Blogger address provided. After saving those DNS changes at Hostinger, return to the Blogger publishing settings and click Save Again on the custom domain section. DNS changes can take a little while to update across the internet. Sometimes the connection works within a few minutes, and other times you may need to wait up to a couple of hours. After some time, try opening your domain in a new browser tab. If everything is set correctly, your Blogger site should load using your hosting a domain with www at the front. That's all there is to it. You went to your Blogger dashboard, open settings, scrolled to publishing, clicked on custom domain, entered your domain starting with www, and saved your changes. Once your hosting a DNS records match what Blogger expects, your custom domain and your blog will be fully connected and ready for visitors.